Ashirvad Silent or Silent Plus SWR installation. Let us go through the installation steps. Step 1. Cutting. Cut the pipe in the right shape. Keep in mind that the pipe has to be cut straight and square. Before cutting, please inspect the edges of the pipe very thoroughly. If you see any kind of crack or split on the ring, then cut and throw away at least 25 mm of the pipe from the visible fault and then proceed. Step 2. Chamfering, Deburring or Beveling. The burrs on the edge of or inside the pipe can stop smooth flow or prevent proper contact between the pipe and the fitting socket during assembly. This is why it is essential to remove them from inside as well as outside the pipe. A half-round file or a pen knife or a deburring tool will be perfect for doing this. A slight bevel on the outer edge of the pipe will ease the entry of the pipe into the fitting socket. Step 3. Fitting preparation. Taking a clean dry cloth, wiping off dust and moisture on the edges of the pipe and fitting socket. Step 4. Push fit. Check for blue seal. Check the edge of the socket for blue seal. Make sure that the seal's blue part is towards the outside of the socket. Now apply lubricant on the pipe's chamfered edge and on the inside of the fitting. There is no need to apply solvent adhesive on the system. Step 5. Push fit assembly. Insert the pipe in the bracket while rotating it. Then pull out the pipe so as to leave a gap of 10 to 12 mm between the mark and the socket. This gap gives room to the jointing to expand in the future without getting damaged. For solve fit, check the pipe without using any solvent so that the pipe's entry into the fitting socket is smooth. Then, using a felt tip, make a clear marking on it. Apply the even coating of the solvent adhesive on the fitting socket and pipe. Do not use very thick or runny solvent adhesive. Do not forget to tighten the cap of solvent adhesive after each and every use. For solve fit, insert the pipe in the fitting socket, rotating the pipe all the while. Rotating the pipe while inserting it ensures that the solvent adhesive spreads evenly in the joint. Now leave the assembly as it is for 10 seconds so that the joint gets set correctly. Pipe installation, barrier passage. Do keep in mind that while passing a silent SWR system through a construction barrier, every passage should be secured with a sleeve of the right material. The material should be foam, glass wool or similar, which can prevent moisture with mortar filling so that acoustic installation is done properly. Stabilizing section. For a small stabilizing section, in the case of a down pipe 10 meters in height, for the direction change of a vertical down pipe to a horizontal connection, 2 45-degree bends or one long sweep bend should be used. Long stabilizing section. In the case of a down pipe longer than 10 meters in height, do ensure that between 2 45-degree bends, a pipe length section of a minimum of 240 mm is installed. Maintenance of the Ashirvad low noise SWR system is very easy. During repair or any other kind of change, the hinge screw of the acoustic bracket is removed and the pipe is taken out. After removing the threaded cap of the fitting, open the fitting clamp and